Students from all over the Pacific recently competed in the 2018 Far East Culinary Arts Competition.
I'm from Washington State University, and I've been working with ProStart for the last probably 17 years in the Seattle area when they started the culinary competitions. I started out as a judge and helping out, and then about 6 years ago I became the lead judge for Washington State. And when I heard about this position opening up for lead judge here, I was really excited. I worked for a Japanese chef for 3 years, and so my dream has been to come to this area. But the real reason I'm here is for the students, and I really believe in the program they're doing. And I'm a chef, and I really believe in cooking. But this has very little to do with cooking and more to do with organization, team building skills, life skills that they can use for whatever they decide to do.
I'm excited to be here today to represent the National Restaurant Association and the National Restaurant Association Educational Foundation and the ProStart program and the competition that's happening here today. The National Restaurant Association Educational Foundation's mission is to empower and attract workers for the restaurant industry. The students here today are learning about restaurant and culinary management and the career opportunities that are available in the industry.
So I am here from Humphreys High School representing the Culinary Arts Club from South Korea, and we are here to compete in the Far East Culinary Arts Competition, and we're hoping to challenge ourselves and to look at the other students and hopefully get some inspiration from them. And overall, we're trying to win the competition. This is quite a tough competition because there's so much to do, and that it's not just a competition for everyone else. It's not as if it was a sport. You have to challenge yourself as well. So you're not just trying to beat everyone else. You're trying to make sure you're perfect as well. So what happens is you are competing against your own self in order to become the better chef.
This is such a great program, and I give a lot of time. I'm being the lead judge in Washington State, consulted for other programs and stuff, and I really believe in what ProStart stands for.
Reporting from Yokota Air Base, I'm Provan.